Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon. Please, I would like you to share this program. Please, Mathias Ezeaku, Mathias Mathias. Please share this video and tag Mathias on this particular video, please. All the very important. If you know you stand on the truth, and if you know that Mathias is a criminal, a bandit, a deceiver, and a liar, I would like you to share this program. Let me expose Mathias. Please, if you know within you that Mathias is a criminal, a liar, a bandit, a deceiver, and a woman, because that's what Mathias is. The same way he accused Christians is the same way I will use those words on him. Please share this program. Do me one favor, click love and like and share this program. I will expose Mathias as I speak to you now, because all the very, very important. Mathias, please, who come to court by 3 p.m.? You guys were hiding when court premises were taking place. When court were taking place, you are going to defend someone in so-called court. You did not find out the time you should be there. You should not find Alisa, please, you can go there, please. I have to go to sleep. I need to finish this. You did not find out when the court sittings will take place. You guys were hiding somewhere. Later did they discover, because people that are supposed to arrest your miserable ass were there waiting for you around 7, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, or 10, 11, 12. 1 o'clock, you did not show up. As soon as you notice that everybody have disappeared, you hanged one place and made a video. Mathias, why are you so crafty in nature? Why do you decide to deceive people as people are deaf and dumb like you? Mathias, next time on the court sitting date, please arrive there with this your charge and bear lawyers. Look at how your lawyers were. Even one of them were looking like somebody they kept and left in a barren ground. Look at you. Who comes to court around 3 p.m. and hang someplace and hang one place and make a video? Guys, please share this video. It's very, very important, because I need to expose this liar, this criminal called Mathias. Why are you like this? Why didn't you arrive at the court by 7 p.m. by 7 a.m.? 7 pass, you not show up. 8 pass, you not show up. 9 pass, Mathias did not show up. 10 pass, Mathias did not show up. 11 pass, Mathias did not show up. 12 pass, Mathias, we are nowhere to be found. 1 pass, Mathias, we are nowhere to be found. 2 pass, Mathias, we are nowhere to be found. Mathias just surfaced at 3 p.m. Mathias just surfaced at 3 p.m. Mathias, who are you deceiving? Guys, please, you can share button and share this video. Can share button. Let me block this button. Oh yeah, get the fuck out of here. This place is not meant for you. Mathias just showed up at 3 p.m. Please, which court sittings start by 3 p.m.? Now you just found out that the case has been adjourned. Why didn't you arrive there by 7, 8, 9 p.m.? You guys were somewhere hiding. Your so-called lawyers advise you to hide, though. To hide, though, that is something that is happening. And all of a sudden you surface. Mathias, Mathias, you were bandits. And trust me, when I say that this case will end you, it will end you. Because they have set trap in your presence and dogamage. You see this, your judge and bear lawyers. These ones where could not rescue you the first time you was arrested, and now you carry them to come and showcase where they will be collecting their gun at time. Let me tell you, remember that you guys said that they hired one of the best son. I just want to be reminding you know all these things you're showing is a way to collect money from all these crap people you brainwashed. Why did you show up at 3 p.m. and I got caught on 3 p.m. Mathias Ezeaku? Why are you crafty and a lying, deceitful person in nature? Or when I got caught by 3 p.m. People we are doing a hunter not there, on a hide their one place. Not on a hidden place. When road to clear, when everybody went home, you guys surfaced from somewhere and started doing what? And started doing what? As soon as you see that the road don't clear, Mathias Abaputa within the church and bear lawyer, then I queen you. Guys, please, it's not gonna shout button shabby. So you people should not be deceived by that criminal bandit Mathias. Okay? You can only deceive the stupid ones who has this low IQ that you can deceive, because you have collected some huge amount of money. You just wanted to present yourself that I was in court. Oh, Mathias, where were you? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. Now you surface when you know that the road don't clear. Eh? Where were you when the court sittings took place? Mathias, where were... Let me show you the video. I have to ask you some reasonable questions. Chineka Wogokun. Chineka Wogokun in a deceiver in the matter. I need to ask you some intelligent questions because I can see you have brainwashed Ndi Igbo. You are nothing but a unuo sheke. You cannot stand here to deceive anybody. As far as I live, this is my platform. I will stand to defend anything that stands on Christian value. Okay? Go and do with Omenala. Stop tackling other people's religion. Stop tackling other people's religion. You stay there, you keep lying, and all of a sudden you appear. Who appear at the 3 p.m. in the court place? They were waiting for you there. Mathias, hold on. Let me show you guys. Guys, because share this program. You know, that's what they do anytime on live. They will start reporting. Click love and like and share this program. Please, very important. Share it. Lying son of a nobody. Because they collect their money from all these criminals. People that are more confused than their own lineage. You have collected money from them. You have scammed them a huge amount of money. Now you carry this confused, unkept lawyers to be showcasing. And I'm joking. Let people ask you some intelligent question. Where were you? 7 a.m. Where were you? 8 a.m. Where were you guys? You guys were hiding one place until the road to clear. Until the road to clear, you surface with this your unkept to charge and bell dirty, look unkept lawyers to come and do what? Eh? You came out to lie, to deceive people. People were there because I can't make an arrest today. Him gonna give a scare. Ne chegi. Who everybody mounted there. They tune. You guys, that's okay. You did not show up. All those things are ranting. All of a sudden, Mathias is surfaced. All of a sudden, Mathias came out from nowhere with the judge and bear lawyer. They made video. Who are you? Who are you deceiving? Guys, but really say, ask Mathias, where are you when this video took place in the court today? Why didn't you work majestically with the court, with the lawyer? Where we are very dark man, because very dark man knew the plan. He knew the plan, and the lawyer had to give excuse. Very dark man is not feeling good. It's You are not talking rubbish. Am I saying that you guys should not love very dark? If you like, go suck his dick when they sample for both men and women. If you like, no, it's none of my business. After all, I'm there for this blow up. Go collect him. Nobody's telling you not to love him. If you like, go today. Tell him say you want to wallow him for free. It's none of my business. If you like, go there, go open your nyash as a man and make him put you, because they go both ways. It's not for our business. It's none of our business. You are coming and people waited for you there. After court to finish sitting by 9 a.m. They were waiting for you to see, because somebody that's ready for fight, you should be there waiting. All of a sudden, you surfaced and made a video because I've already collected the money from mad people like you, from stupid brainwashed ewus like Ona. And you guys think you will stand here to... No, we are here to open people's brain. So you cannot be able to brainwash people that reason with their common sense. Oh, negi we fool. Negi wukahu capital fool. Nemurugene we fool. That is it. Nemuruge and namuruge we complete compound one for that matter. And then sutuare. Oneke who do you guys want to deceive? Oneke unu chori deceive. Gullible fools like ona. Uneducated, low IQ set of individuals. That's who you want to deceive? That's who you want to maneuver their brain? Eh? You were hiding for how many hours? Why? What stop you from making a video when you were on the way, while we are on our way going to court? What stop you from making video as you normally do videos? So you couldn't do any video when you are on your way going. The way you normally do videos, Mathias says, you did not do the video. As you keep updating people, I am here, we are going, today, we will be here. What stop you from updating people? All of a sudden, you hang one place and you be running video because you have collected and skimmed your follow gullible, deformed brain. VDM is a very hopeless human being, and he will end up like those that are very hopeless. Go and mark today's dates. Because this time around, go and ask VDM lawyer how the judge pounced on him today. Let VDM come out again and make video about Omofefeye. If VDM carry bola, that's bola way in the massage anywhere. If VDM be man, make him do video again concerning this man, or let him try that rubbish he tried before. Go and ask VDM lawyer what he saw at the court premises today. And by then, all of you that are stupid like him will start using una brain to reason. VDM, you say you be man, you know the hear word. Go contrary to the order they gave you in court today. Your lawyer, you see how? Let me play the video. Let me show now. You don't say una be mugus. Una be mugus, complete one. VDM, listen to me. If you get common sense, you go to choose your fight. There is, you see, Christianity this time around, we are rugged ones. There is nothing like, oh, wait for Jesus to fight for you. No. As you're looking at it now, however you want it, we go match and woto. As you are seeing it happening now, nobody can intimidate Christianity anymore. All those things, allow your Jesus to fight for you. Those days are over. We are in 2024. However, on a one time, we go for woto. Enough of intimidating pastors with their own quotation in the Bible. Una no one tell us where Elisha said, agwu dobunu. And we want violence in the Bible. You don't know? As soon as one time, as we did, una don't call them as a technology violence now. That's all we go follow now. Court, police, Kotema, Interpol, anything una want. We are ready for it. As soon as no one rests, he said, "Pikin, we no agree making mama rest, no go rest." You know, soon I be pikin. Now we be the mama we born una. As soon as say una cry like we go learn how to cry past you. We go learn how to cry past you. I'm seeing a lot of people saying, after you go join Opukobi. That is why I came out. As soon as I see people, those your useless followers, keep mentioning Opukobi name. That is what gingered my brain. Because I know if you finish with this one, you go another one. So make I tell you, say, we are ready for your motto. We are ready to advise you. I'm not talking at court. I'm not talking on social media. Because I know now, if you not patch this place, if that place hot on, I'll go patch another place. So I am passing this information to you. You should know your boundary. Even before that, your boundary come. Stay clear. Ebukobi is a sharp object. I'm seeing a lot of people encouraging you. I get you are afraid because next is Ebukobi. I get you. Me. See, listen, I'm not Facebook to make money. I'm not here so other people will stop following me. And they don't follow me. No. My page is a different one. I'm here to defend what I stand for. I'm here to defend. Anyhow, if you reach Ebukobi side, you don't destroy yourself. And this Christianity too is among the things that I value so much. Because I can see you are the instrument of Arose. You are the instrument of destroyer. They want to use you. They want to use you as the instrument of destroyer. Now, please, ask Mathias Ezeaku, that main criminal that using our people are abandoned in the hospital, breast cancer, nose cancer, using all those words to maneuver on our brain. Ask him what stopped him from making video from where when he was going to court, as he normally updates on your people. Mathias, why didn't you update them when you guys were on our way going to court? Why didn't you make a video? One, hey, we are here, we are reaching there, my people, stay tuned. What stop you? All of a sudden, as soon as you don't see road, you don't clear, you pop out. You pop out like a mkuru, and you start making video, talking rubbish. Where we are very dark, dirty thing. Where we are very dark man, I wish you know the charges is about to hit you soon. Very dark man, from now to next week Monday, you'll be arrested. And by then, your criminal case will start. I am giving you authentic info. Go and mark it one place. Mathias, get ready to go there to defend very dark man. Get ready, because your own, your own. Agwarangi say, flies, when no agree here word. When it cover a dead corpse, you go cover and join. Flies, when no agree here word. Yes, I said he will not go, but why did he go late? Going late and you did not attend the occasion, did you go? Ewu mugu. Going there that you did not witness the occasion, let me give you an example. Because I know when I get a little brain. I say Mathias cannot show there. Now let me give you little brain. Because I know say when our brain is very little. Somebody is preparing for her wedding. And that day is the day the wedding will take place. After the wedding, you showed up and you called the person that you attended. Did you attend or you did not attend? I told you that Mathias will not stop in there. Going there late without witnessing what happened, sneaking your way around is equally that you did not attend. Because he collected the money from you stupid fools. And he wants to go and deceive on a brain. Say he attended. You understand what I mean? What is this? Hello? He want to go there and showcase on a stupidity to prove to a daft brain that we are there. No. If someone invites you to her occasion, you're supposed to go there to spread the money. Reaching there, the occasion is over. And nobody set their eyes on you. Did you attend that occasion? No, you didn't. No, you did not. Because you know why? The occasion is supposed to be held around 10 o'clock. And you showed up around 4 o'clock. You intentionally did not want to show. You intentionally did not want to go to the occasion, isn't it? Who una won't deceive? Who una won't deceive? Guys, share this video. I'm about to play where the court sittings took place. And please, also this una daft brain, Mathias. This una local swan. This una local scamming professional Onyoshi that pretending that he's fighting churches while he wants to be in a position where those that the GOs are. He has forgotten the government he should be fighting against. You want to be like Americans. Have you ever seen Americans fight churches? Have you ever seen Americans attack any religion in this country? But you want to imitate them. You want to live how they are living. You want to be an example of America. But you are tormenting people with their freedom of worship. You say you must eradicate Christianity. Who the heck are you? Mathias, I wish you know. I wish you know the food that said. You know one thing I like about this life is that people go, they act like say they know shaken. Guys, click love and like and share this video. Share this video. They are reporting my video. Share this video. Facebook disregard any report on this video. Click it and share it. Click it and share it. Oh, he was there since 9:45. What stopped him from going to the court? What stopped him from videoing with the? What stopped him from taking picture with a VDM lawyer? Let me, anywhere when I come, I go use brain and give it to her. What stopped him from having a live video with the VDM lawyer I'm about to show you now? Is it not the people that he went to go and stand with? What stopped him from running a program the same way he ran that program with his confused lawyers? What stopped him from doing the same thing with those lawyers? Is VDM lawyer not the bone of contention? Is VDM lawyer not the bone of contention? I'm asking you daft people that are asking me question here. What stopped him from making a video with the VDM lawyer? Because that is what he wanted. He wanted to prove a huge point. But my question is, why making video with all this your church and bear Chekwatalano lawyer? What stopped you from making a video with this man I'm about to show you now? Guys, share this video. And almost what they call it? This guy, this man, they can him difficult to call. This guy. What stopped him from making video with the lawyer as he's standing to defend on a stupid brain? That is the see. You guys are not learned. You guys are just brainwashed. All your brain is seeing. Oh, Mathias is fighting for us. Oh, Christianity has finished us. Oh, Christianity has destroyed us. Oh, Mathias is our savior. Hey, anything he say, you minister it in your brain. You digest it without question. That is why you guys are daft. That is why you guys are daft. Anything he say, oh, when the hand go touch him this time around, Mathias, I just they prophesied to you. I told you you will not attend, and you didn't attend. You did not attend. What you went there to do is just to fool yourself. Because the whole occasion has been done. Court sittings has been over. And you did not witness, you did not make video with the so-called solidarity lawyer. You want to stand by. You did not go there and stand with it. And you are here fooling yourself. Ah, Ezeaku. Ezeaku. Nasa go come. You say the mock udela. Nasa go come here mock you. You see how you they mock those people that lost their lives. Those people that are dead, you are mocking them. Nasa I go mock you the day your own go touch the ground. Because I know it will happen. I foresee what is about to hit on your head. Leave all this your church and bear lawyer. Then go throw them away. As they did not see Udela lawyer the first day they went to court. You saw what they did to lawyer. Come on, get out of here. The case is over. That is how they will throw these things you called lawyer out soon. Watch and see. It's about to happen. Iga mad that your hand go touch your hand way past you. Mathias Ezeaku. Leave the game movie thing you're playing. You know, you was once in Nollywood. It did not favor you. You have put your hands in different places for you to be noticed. And finally, you decide that this is the right way for you to be noticed. Mathias Ezeaku, listen to me. This will be the end of your journey. Write it down. And the very dark man, listen to me. From now to Monday next week, you'll be apprehended. And you know, this one is just what they call it, civil matter. From now till Monday next week, you'll be apprehended and charged with the criminal. Charging your criminal thing, then I will come here and tell you that thing. For now, I'm not gonna say it. You are likely to spend 14 years imprisonment. You don't know? Oh, you did not know. I will not release it here. Now, you see, all these things they are doing, that is what they will do for you. They can only cry, they can only scream, and after it's over. Ask about Mazen and the Kano. People scream, 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 scream. Oh! They scream. Are you seeing people screaming again? You see that everything has gone down. Now, so they will end you. Now, so people will forget. Even the detention you went few months ago, people has already forgotten you. People forgot you. If they did not release you, nobody could have noticed that you exist. You will be forgotten in a second. Write my works down today. Hand way past hand go touch your head. Hand way that thing that is giving you accolade. Udela no na. If this person call for Udela, then go suppress pam. You never see Udela no ne people. You never see but person where no person pass Udela. Let me tell you, you know, be say Udela no people. But to call or pass on top of Udela. Now the hand way go touch you soon. Now the hand way go touch you soon. I see, I don't see all these miscreants, all this rubbish thing, all this all this una follow Bola Masaja. All this your follow Bola Masaja here. This your recent video that surfaced. All this your follow Bola Masaja. Now so then go cry. Cry. Stand with you. We love you, Bola Masaja. We love you, Bola Masaja. That is the only thing, you know. It go happen. Where Belle Face don't release song before now. Say fans go tell you right on, and they exactly what happened to. That is why now he's minding his business, because the senator where Belle Face gets that correction don't end. Now he's taking his little brain to sabi something a little bit. You know, now he's choosing his fights. There are some places you don't put your hand. If you put them there, then go silence you. You not go hear word, but you go hear them soon. Don't worry. You not be here with day. We are here and we shall see to the end of you, because your end is coming close. Trust me, any day you are apprehended, if you see petition that are ready to surface, go and ask you the how far market. You have, you know, all this hand are touching you in a little hand. But you see this time around, person where no person where, let me tell you, I like Nigerians. When they want to deal with you, if you scream, they no go hear you. Then go silent you. And when they silent you go no say, this word will get part 2. This word will get part 2. Now let me show you the drama Mathias put up today to confuse his so-called daft, gullible followers. DT. That he want to be deceiving, showcasing his rubbish movie acting on this blue app. He was once in movie industry. Ask him. That one no favor him. He was once in movie industry, no favor him, and he felt like he will use this to blow. Mathias, you see this your blow now end you the end. Mark my words. Go and save this video for future reference. Guys, click love and like, share. They are reporting my video. The voice they know they like hear. The voice that they don't like to hear. Click love or share the Facebook, disregard any reports. Share it in all WhatsApp group, in all groups, in everywhere. Keep sharing it, Pico. That's what they do. They gather here, they report. It doesn't matter. One thing I don't like my fellow Christians, you guys are too weak for my liking. These people are coming aggressively. Why are you guys being quiet? This is 2024. I want you guys to be more aggressive than them. Dish it out however they are dishing it to you. If they want it in any bagger, you bagger them the same way. They don't have monopoly for violence. As they want time, allow your own God to judge you. No listen to their bush crap. That's what they will come up with. And you'll be there. We don't like allow God to fight for you. You are bullshit. You have bullshit. Which God to fight for you. Where God have given you the ability to step on every stepping where I go say. They will come and play blue up and they will attack you. You will go. Fight them with everything in you. Who the heck are they? When they come for you, you come for them. And I'm a program show no share video. Are you afraid of them or what? Are you afraid of these buggers? But when they are doing their own program, they'll be sharing it, they'll be broadcasting it. If you don't speak and stand on your faith, who will stand it for you? Who will stand there to protect you? And amen. Jesus. Okay, let Jesus come out and come and fight the battle for you. Jesus to fight. That is why we have lawyers, we have police officers, we have judges. If Jesus can do all those things, why did we have it on this earth? Okay. And when anything I call I don't understand. You allow nobody. One shaker that looking for opportunity. That looking for opportunity to come and be talking rubbish and try to intimidate you. No wonder. Yeah? Whoever that wants to go back to their root, let them go back to their root. And make sure that any of them that get back to twins, they will go kwemeram. Because that's what going back to our root signify. You go there, you kweme pregnant women, live her life. A shaggy lindeze, a wurishi, their men. That is the sign of going back to their root. They should apply every measure. They should not come here and eliminate some and leave some. Because going back to our root require those things that we are doing then. Okay? Going back to our root, any of them that are going back to their root that once had twins, we go permit those twins. That is it. Because they want us to go back to our roots. We go common technology from them. They will not witness what technology have brought to the same white people. Going back to your root, Ndamusu, that commit their forefathers committed more than atrocity. Their forefathers buried many people. That is what you want me to go back. No, when we are going back there, any of you that once had twins or about to have, we go permit them. That is among us going back to our roots. And anybody where kwame, and those of you that are Osu and Dume and whatever Igbo say, this Christianity brought to us that we abolish, we will also join on, and we will increase that Osu method. So we all of us will go back to our root and start practicing those atrocities. We will start all of you that are Osu and Dume that pass through Aru. Christianity is the reason why you guys are still communicating with Diala. Christianity are the reason why you guys still have the mouth to associate. You still have the audacity that you're going back to your roots. Eh? I just don't understand our people. Who brought Osu in our land? Is it not your forefathers? Who started discriminating among Igbos? The people that are Ohijiala and the people that are Osu? Those that we should kweme and those that we should keep. Is it not the same going back to your motherfucking roots? Is it not the same method of going back to your roots? I'm asking all of you. Do not eliminate anyone. Do not omit anyone. All of those things our forefathers labeled then, we always go back to that roots. And we will do it as you guys required. That going back to root, we will go it peacefully without omitting anything. Without removing anything. Without removing anything from that tradition. Anybody that is Osu, that join Mathias, we should discriminate you. Nobody should marry from you because you're Osu. Your forefathers, you want to go back, made you that you are not cast. That we should not have anything to do with you. So I want you to bear that one in mind. When you're going back to our root, also remember that. Now from their own dirty things. And they still want to go back there. Oh, we want to be free. You want to be free? You want Igbos to start marrying, you want the same Igbo people to start marrying each other while you are there telling us to go back to where God rescued all of you from. And they still want to go back there. Ntala. Anybody that is Osu, you know that he was Osu. Iwume. And you vow with your heart that Bible has become your enemy. You are going back there. We will start rejecting you guys. Nobody will marry una. We will start telling people that no, we shouldn't communicate and have anything to do with una. Ndala. Bunch of onda bunono. Ndarega shugonono hashino wolubu kahama. Christianity has become una problem. Has become, while the government who do not there is una main problem. Christianity has become una worst nightmare. I was once a Christian. They brainwashed me. I was once while your forefathers atrocity in hammering, you cannot come out and call it a spell. Or the same Christians drag all of you out of that impunity. Or the same Christian brought life into all of you. Nta musu. Anakoeri nkede ekwu get enwere that brain ya scatter. Make we watch how this wood deceived all of you. Because let me go to my WhatsApp. Come June because John Mathias ebe ole ko no the cost sitting se city chan ya put by 3. Nderi. Wait. Let me play the video. Make you see. Here with the representatives of Omofefe. This is here lawyer. Here lawyer the man. Here lawyer yo. All of them came out. No, they did not see Mathias. All of them came out from the court. Mathias, we are nowhere to be found. None of them. Let me play when this thing took place. Okay? The lawyer VDM. Nani yao with this lady will be a court. Where we are Mathias then? Kebe Mathias no kam na June. When this lawyer came out, Kebe Mathias no. Ebeka Mathias no. Ndala. Mbano ni me court na city. This court sittings, where is Mathias? Ebeka Mathias no. Mbano here na city. Ebeka Mathias no. Anama joge Mathias, where were you? Before this thing. Okay, where were you? In Ole. You were running late? Or you are not informed at the time you should be there. Ebekino. Anama joge, why didn't you take a video picture with the man lonely? You can see the face of the lawyer because the judge scattered him in that court. Oh, I don't want to play voice note of that judge. I could have played the voice note. You could have had how the judge scattered us. One. If this guy continues, I will issue his arrest immediately. Where we are Mathias? Where we are Mathias? Ebe chibe ya putaze be hang ya one place. No ebe cut video. You guys can only brainwash tout like Ona. Daft people like Ona. That is why you guys will only be brainwashed. Nnegi munuge wapona. Nnegi we get back to you is apona. So it doesn't matter. I show where you call. Nnegi we get back to you wapona. Simple. Because it's only tout like Ona. It's only low IQ like Ona will come out and straighten up mouth and call woman a show. Because you're not well trained. You did, yeah. I mean, you came out from a very bitter family who cannot even nurture their son, have to be responsible. So I am not surprised. You can only dish out what your mother and your father gave you. Nothing more. You're telling us how you were brought up. So I'm not surprised. You cannot even make a common constructive argument or statement. But you can come out to open mouth and call un nigga show. Who cares? Your mother, that is what you witness. That is the environment you were brought up. So I'm not surprised. And when you dish out, I will return it back to you. Because when you want a monopoly of insulting anybody, calling anybody, any detractive words, if you give it to me, I will give it to you. Because I know that is exactly how you were brought up. So I don't blame you. I blame the household you grew up from. Anama Joki, Mathias, where were you? In an accident also, you could not arrive. Where we are very dark man lawyer, why didn't you take a selfie with him? Why didn't you make a video like you sampled those Kakombo lawyers? Why didn't you make a video with him? Or he left? Or you did not contact him? Or you were not able to witness what happened? You came out with Ndoshi Begi, very brainwashing that Ndala. Like we don't know. Look at Anama Jogi. You know how the man is confused. George watching this man, the man became confused. You can see him there. Because you don't even know what else to do. You couldn't even identify your where you came from. See you. Look at him. You see that the lawyer was not looking happy at all. The lawyer was not looking happy because the kind of warning, sound warning they gave VDM in that court. I don't want to be playing those voice notes because he's gonna contradict this. You will see how they cautioned this man. You will see how they cautioned him. He should be very careful. You will see how they cautioned him that he should be very, very careful. They cautioned him. Please click love and like. They are reporting this video. Share this program. Share this program. Facebook, please disregard any report on this video. We are only creating awareness. We are not doing anything harmful. We are not committing any atrocity. We are not doing anything. We are not saying anything contrary to what we are doing. Sorry, with what Facebook will stand for. Any report on this video, Facebook, please disregard it. Any so-called report, leave them, leave this emotion on wama. Nde kidnapper say hapo ha. Hapo nde ebu madu. Pe na hia young age, you can shake kidnap. Oye na ha na eme. That is who they are. All these kidnappers, all these untrained kidnappers and here. That is who they are. Who are all upon them. They hate the truth. They want to subdue. They want to subdue Christianity. So the arrow will continue. Because Christianity are the main radicator of arrow. They want to subdue them. Anya shukwa number. Guys, share this program. Click love. Facebook will disregard any report on this video. We are not doing anything harmful on this video. Disregard any report on this video. Facebook. Disregard and cancel any report. Guys, click love and like. Click love and like and share this program. They are reporting it massively because the truth hurts. The truth hurts. Mathias Ezeaku, next time, get yourself well equipped. Bruri, you get go in a few days before no longer. How he gave me? He get Burunri, he get riwe before the main judgment will hit on you. Next time, don't come late. Next time, I will also come out here to announce to the world what time that the court sittings will be. And I want you to be there 1 hour ahead of the court sittings. Please, with all due respect, make sure you attend it on time. Late. Guys, click love and like. Oh, they are reporting this video. Click love and like. Oh, that's what they are doing. Now, Anamajugo, Mathias, where were you? Where were you when this court sittings took place? Ebekeno. Kamna jogi inole. Now you came out with your propaganda, with your lies and your video. The one you represent, I'm offer for you today. This is the lawyer that represented. This one. Did you guys see him or not? Eh? Now, let me play Mathias' video. Okay, come now, Sibo. Can play Mathias' video. Okay, here Mathias potrabe deceive I want to play his video. I want you to watch. Facebook disregard any report on this video. Share this program, I beg. Let's see. Look. Good
evening. Depending your time factor. I still remember Mr. Ezeaku Ejiofor. I am the leader of Omenala worldwide. And as well the leader of Igbos Love Themselves Charity Foundation worldwide. So as you can see, we are live at High Court, ICT High Court, FCT High Court, Abuja, to witness the case of our brother.
You see the game he played. He went in front of that court place. And he made sure that they video the courts. Can you guys remember somebody that did the same thing? Here with life of a criminal. Here with the life they portray to prove a point. Did you see how he sectioned the whole thing? So you can see where they are. Did you see how Mathias sectioned people? They lined up. There's no place to stand though. Chineke God. Ola, Mathias. Hey, Chineke God. Mathias, Mathias, hey, nah, this your local 419, you don't go walk this time around. And yet, because I'm man inside, I know what is happening. I know what is happening. I wish I knew. I could have not informed you. I couldn't have informed you that some danger is ahead of you. I can make happen. You get take a made a video. You know, my video made you lawyer guy. This is what you would do. You know, you have already arrived. So let us play caution. Let us be wise. What I go do? That is why. Take it. Get disgrace. We that are highly intelligent, that can tell people Ejioku. Anama Joge Mathias, getting a VDM did not show up because he listened what his lawyer told him. My dear, road no clear. The money people contributed for him, this is exactly what he did. He just want to prove, oh, this is exactly the thing he performed today. Mathias, you know, go school, but you are maneuvering people. I just they look and they laugh. All the money people contributed to you yesterday, you needed money desperately. You needed money desperately, and you wanted to prove a point. And now, this is all you could prove to your people. When the road clear, when this court took place, where were you? Where were you back in? Make me see, guys, they are reporting my